Hello viewers, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today's special recipe is raw mango fish curry and I'm going to make it in a mud pot. So let's get started and check out the ingredients. I have 250 grams of black pomfret cut into pieces. Now I'm going to just add a little salt, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon chilli powder. Just mix everything. Adding turmeric powder and salt prevents the fishy smell. Let this just sit for about 15 minutes until cooking. Pour some oil in a mud pot, about 2 tablespoons. Once the oil is heated, add half teaspoon of mustard seeds, quarter teaspoon of fenugreek. Once the mustard seeds start splattering, add 1.5 cups of chopped shallots. Next, add a few cloves of garlic. Next, add 2 slit green chilies and a handful of curry leaves. So once the onions have browned, add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 2 tomatoes chopped. Next, add all the spice powder, starting with quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon chilli powder, 2 teaspoons coriander powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder. If you see, the masalas come together beautifully. The onions and tomatoes are nicely mashed up. Now I'm going to add the 1 medium-sized raw mango, and I've cut into big chunks. Make sure you cut it with the skin. Now I'm going to pour water, about 1.5 cups. Gently mix it in. Close and cook for about 5 minutes. The mango pieces are cooked, you can see it. I'm gently going to start adding the fish pieces one by one. Close the pot and cook for about 7 minutes. Fish curry is done. Serve it nice and hot. Now garnish with some fresh chopped coriander. So there you go. Here is this delicious raw mango fish curry. Now you can have this with some nice hot fish fry and steaming hot rice. And if you don't have a mud pot, don't worry. You can make it in a non-stick pot or any other pot of your choice. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on Amazon and 21 Frames.